Hi, we're from Microsoft's Analysis and Experimentation team, and we work with multiple products at Microsoft to help run A/B experiments. A/B testing is a familiar concept to most readers and forms the gold standard for studying causality in academia and in industry. In an A/B experiment, we split users into treatment and control groups, where the treatment group gets exposed to a specific feature. We then collect data, analyze, and interpret metrics to study if the treatment group performed better relative to the control group. There is a vast amount of literature around how to configure and run valid A/B experiments. However, the focus of the paper is around interpreting metrics once a valid experiment has been run. Let's go through a few examples where we think that it might be common where users might misinterpret metric movements. In one experiment, we made a one-line change in JavaScript to open up links on the MSN homepage on a new tab rather than opening them up on the same tab. That was the only change between the treatment and control groups, and yet our metrics showed a drastic increase in page load time. This is not expected, and we could not explain the results just looking at those values. A second example is from Skype. In the treatment group, we started using a more reliable channel to send Skype notifications. The control group was using the existing channel to send these notifications. While we expected some metrics to move and some to stay relatively flat, we observed large static movements in metrics that we expected to stay flat. This is also a common occurrence when we're running A/B experiments at scale, especially where we see static movements in metrics that are completely either unrelated to the experiment or the experimenters do not expect to move. In another experiment, we moved a piece of content higher up the page and saw a decrease in click-through rate. Click-through rate is a common way of measuring the quality of content displayed to the user, and given that our metrics showed a large decrease, does that imply that our content is not helpful? These are some examples where we might interpret metrics incorrectly and make decisions which are incorrect or not optimal. In this paper, we go through 12 pitfalls that we hope that our readers will avoid and help run successful A/B experiments of their own. Thank you.